Last season on Mia's Anatomy, High School Writing. We learned that we should use evidence to help us make claims, instead of having a predetermined idea about a topic and then fishing for evidence to back it up. That's how we avoid confirmation bias. We learned what evidence is and what it means for evidence to be irrefutable. We got into drama, or at least a misunderstanding that can happen when a writer doesn't let the reader know how they are making connections by writing explanation and analysis sentences. And we learned how to avoid all that by communicating our thinking process clearly. And there was a bunch of other stuff that happened. Maybe you can help me remember it? Today we're taking a quick trip down memory lane to review what we already know about evidence. That's because today we are starting Unit 4, Evidence Deep Dive. To get started, we'll first go over what you've already learned. Then we'll look ahead to what we'll talk about throughout this unit. Wow, Unit 3 was a wild ride. Going through all the parts of a whole entire high school essay? Whew, I feel like I need to take a break before we even move on to Season 4. Okay, pause this video and on your PDF, record what you know about evidence, what you've learned from Unit 2 or 3 of this course or somewhere else. I'm going to catch my breath and we'll meet back here in just a few. What did you come up with? Here's what I thought of. Evidence comes in after the topic sentence in a body paragraph. Can be a fact, statistic, quote, or summary. Needs to be explained and analyzed to show the reader how you are using it to make a claim. And should be integrated with your own words. Now that you've seen my list, pause the video again and add in anything missing from the list you made. So, what's next, you ask? What else could there possibly be to learn about using evidence in your writing? A couple things. Once you're done with this 2-day lesson, you'll move to Lesson 2 of this unit, which will deepen your understanding about what counts as evidence and how to decide what kind of evidence to use when you're making an argument. In Lesson 3, you'll learn to make decisions about using direct quotes or paraphrasing quotes in your writing. Lesson 4 will be your opportunity to show what you learned by wowing us all on your Unit 4 assessment. Evidence! Yes! Take a look at the list we made earlier in this lesson about what we already learned on your PDF. Which of these topics do you feel like you understand well enough to teach to someone else? Make a mental note for Day 2 of this lesson. And remember, we're right here with you. Right on.